Namaste everyone. In today's video, we're going to focus on Patanjali's Yoga Sutra 1.32. And in this particular sutra, Muni Patanjali is now in the solution finding mode and is helping us to understand how we can overcome the obstacles and how we can actually rise above them. So let's look at the sutra and start breaking it up word by word. The sutra itself goes, Tat pratishedartha meka tattvabhyasaha. Alright, now feel free to pause the video whenever you need to look at some meanings or to look at some definitions, and we're going to start breaking it up. So first word again over here is tat, and again that's referring to that. Since sutras are a continuation, it's talking about the chitta vikshepa, so that. The next word is pratishedha, and pratishedha means counteracting or acting against. The next word that we get here is artha, and here artha is referring to for. Then we get the word artha eka, and eka refers to one. The next word is tattva, which is referring to principle or essence. And the final word is abhyasa. So here it's talking about diligent, consistent practice. So now when we look at this entire sutra, we are being told that any chitta vikshepa or any obstacle can be counteracted or overcome if we practice consistently on one element or on one tattva. So now there are many different meanings that can come up from this in the commentary because different commentators believe different things. So it depends on how we break up the word Eka Tattva Abhyas and how we understand it. That's going to determine how we sort of place the meaning of this sutra. Now this Eka Tattva refers to one essence or one method of practice that you're adopting. So probably here it could mean different things. In the upcoming sutra, Muni Patanjali gives us 7 different techniques. So he could kind of be telling us that, hey, you choose any one of these 7 techniques and then do it as abhyas. Or he could also be referencing certain yogic angas. So we have the 8 angas. He could be referencing staying on the 8 anga path and going towards it step by step. Also, in certain books of Vedanta, certain commentators believe that this Eka Tattva could also be referring to Brahman or the element of Brahman. But as we know, Patanjali Yoga Sutra is basically based on the Sankhya theory, which believes in duality and the existence of Purusha and Prakriti, whereas Vedanta or Brahman believes in the existence of Brahman as the primordial element. So therefore, there are a few minor changes and each of the commentators have their own version of looking at it. But what I stand by and what I think is the sutra is trying to say is that whatever is the case, you have to follow that consistently for a long period of time to be able to get over the obstacles. So no matter which obstacle you're dealing it, whether it be self-doubt, whether it be lack of interest, whether it be a disease, whatever solution you're going to apply to that obstacle needs to be done consistently, and your mind needs to be completely enmeshed with that solution. So that, when we're really going towards something and we have that completely in our mind, we have that Eka Tattva Abhyas, we keep working on it consistently, then that firm faith and that Abhyas will help us to rise above the obstacles and carry us through everything. So this is the sort of solution that Muni Patanjali is trying to provide us, and then he tries to give us examples in the upcoming sutras of particular ways or methods in which we can make this happen in the best way possible for ourselves. So we're going to see what Muni Patanjali meant by that in the upcoming sutras. So I hope this sutra has been helpful for you to understand that Eka Tattva Abhyas is the solution to the Chitta Vikshepas. And now we look forward to seeing you in the next video to discuss even more solutions. If you found this video helpful, please do share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to our channel to stay updated for new videos and also to support our journey here. Apart from that, please take care of yourselves, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video or in one of our classes. See you very soon and namaste.